What's up guys, thank you for coming to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can make a bit of extra money on the side using Facebook and Etsy. So if that's of interest, stick around, okay? Make sure you do stay to the end to show you how to do it step by step by step. At the end, as a bonus for those who've watched to the end, I will show you what I use to make an income online. I use the power of the internet to make an income online. So make sure you stay to the end to see that. So without further ado, my name is Morgan Lewis. Subscribe to this channel, like the video, and I'll see you in the second part.
Okay, welcome back to this part of the video, everybody. As you can see, I'm on Facebook Marketplace, which if you're on Facebook, you might recognize, you might not. Facebook Marketplace is, as what it says, it's a place where you can sell and you can buy stuff, loads of stuff. Rent, properties, electronics, entertainment, family, free stuff. Now, what I was thinking was, a little idea to make a bit of money, okay, is perhaps drop shipping on Facebook Marketplace. That's not a new thing before you tell me off. No, it's not a new thing. And if you don't know what drop shipping is, good question. What is drop shipping? Okay. Now, all drop shipping is really is you list a product on eBay normally or Facebook Marketplace. You don't own that product. It comes from Walmart, or it's come from Tesco, or it's come from Currys, or it's come from somewhere else, Amazon. So you list it. Okay, and you increase the price of it. You list it on eBay or Facebook Marketplace. Somebody buys it, they pay you. You then go to your supplier, you ship it out. You pay the supplier, you ship it out, free delivery hopefully. You never see the product, okay? You then claim the difference. Claim the difference. Now, drop shipping has been around for a while. A lot of people do it. I'm not going to go into drop shipping. You know, it's not as easy as people say. Perhaps I did it for a while. So it's quite a nice little model. You have got to get involved in customers and you've got to be careful what you do. But it's a good way of making money, and there's a lot of people making a lot of money out of it. Mainly on eBay, perhaps using Amazon and Walmart and these big sites. So dropshipping is dropshipping. It's not a new model. But I haven't seen people do it this way on Facebook Marketplace. So here's my marketplace, which you can drop ship to. You can go to Walmart, you can go to all these drop shipping suppliers, and you can put a listing on Facebook Marketplace. People might buy it off you, hopefully they will. You then sell it to them, ship it to them. You don't do the shipping, your supplier does. So I thought, why not use and make it a bit more personal, perhaps Etsy. I haven't seen this being done. It probably is, but I haven't seen it. Anyway, why not use Etsy? Etsy is available in the UK, it's available in the US. It's a bit more personal perhaps, okay, a bit more personal. You get all of these things, look. Been buying candles, it's Valentine's Day is coming up. So I've been buying candles and I thought, well, why not put it on Facebook Marketplace, see what happens. So Etsy is a site, you know, you can buy a lot of things on Etsy, and it's a bit more personal perhaps than getting a TV from Amazon or a bed from Amazon and drop shipping it. So why not be a bit different and do it from Etsy? So what you could do is, you know, homemade candles. Let's say in the UK, because people like homemade candles, don't they? Everyone like a homemade candle. So there's loads. You look. There's loads and loads and loads and loads and loads and loads. Now, if you go onto Facebook and you type in homemade candles, there's probably homemade candles on here as well. I would have thought it, anyway. Homemade candles. There we go. Look, homemade candles, homemade candles. So everybody's sort of doing it. Lovely, lovely, lovely. So why not do the same thing? Now, I'm in Bristol. Or my filter's in Bristol, so it doesn't matter where your filter is, but I'm in Bristol at the moment. So why not do this as well? So let's go to this one here, Cornish Sea Breeze. So this is what you could do. You could click on this. Cornish Sea Breeze Natural. So perhaps if we do this, let's have a look, see if this one, okay, is on here, just to see, make ourselves a little bit different. No listing. Okay. Within 20 kilometers, thank you very much, because I've only got a certain listing. I mean, you could make it more if you want to. Can you have a check? Let's go 80. Apply. Do what you want with that. There we go, look. 25 Cornish Sea Breeze. So there's quite a lot about the place. How much is it on here? £18. So this person is doing, all right, okay, £25, £25. This is the one we look. Look, this is the one here. £25. Because that is exactly the same one. Look, it's £18. It's free. It's a free delivery. Free look. So this person, when it sells, this one here. Let's click on this. Okay. When this one sells, this person is going to get £25. This person is going to go to this place here, buy it for £18, send it. It's free delivery. Look, you don't pay for delivery, and you make the difference, which is £7. Not going to make you a millionaire. You're not going to buy a Lamborghini with it. But it's quite an easy way to make an extra bit of cash. Now, if you don't like the competition, because...
Hi folks, sorry for interrupting. If you're enjoying this video and this content, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Sorry for the interruption, back to the video.
There's people selling the same thing. Okay, if you're in Bristol, if you're in London, wherever you are, just go down to here, perhaps. Apply. Now, there's nobody within 20 kilometers of Bristol selling that. The actual one. Depends where you are. If you want to make the radius bigger, make the radius bigger. So what you could do is, you could now list this and sell it within 20 kilometers of where you are in Bristol. You catch my drift? So, create new listing. If we want to list this one, item for sale, yes. So we can go to Cornish. We'll just go Cornish Sea Breeze wax candle. Put it in. Come down here perhaps. Category, description. Just put that in. Are you with me? And you could even put in this. Description. Put in all of this as well. Why not? Okay. Title. Perhaps we'll have this as the title. Perhaps. Cornish Sea. So we'll have that as the title. Put it in there like that. Price. Well, that person there added for £25. So let's have it for £25. Category. Household. Condition. New. Brand, we don't know. Product tags, you could put that in. Location, okay, you could change that. It's gone to London for some reason, but you could change it, can you? Single item, yes. Thank you very much. Okay. This is a single item. And there we are. Color, whatever the color is. And then we can add a photo. Now all we've got to do really is come up here, save image, and we can upload it to our listing. So I've uploaded the image. All I did was cut and paste it from there, or save it, save image as. Put it in there, so that's my listing. Nice and easy. That took me, I don't know, 30 seconds. Okay, you could keep adding more things to it if you wanted to. Okay, but you catch my drift. Make that a bit better perhaps. Bang, 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 bang. Next. Okay, do you want to put it in that group or this group? Marketplace, please. And then press publish. Okay. So that would be listed then on Facebook Marketplace. And when somebody buys it, you come here, you place the order for 18 quid. The person who's bought it has paid you 25, you pocket the difference. Nice and easy. Okay? You haven't got to do, you haven't just got to do candles. Okay? You can do, I don't know, Valentine's Day. Let's have a look at Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day gifts. That's going to be popular. So let's go to, always find perhaps this one here. What's this one here? Delivery free. Let's find eligible orders. Always try and get the free one. It's always got a free in it. So what's this one here? Movie night dice. Okay, that's a nice little thing to do. Perhaps 19 quid. Select an option. 2 dice. 19.99. Handmade. Okay, free delivery. Thank you very much. People obviously like it. Look. So we can do the same thing for this. Movie night dice, click. Okay, come back here. I'll get rid of that one for now. Leave that page. So we can do another listing. Item for sale. Let's just check first. Let's just see if it's in the marketplace. Movie night dice. Not really. Okay, not really. Like I say, it's up to you with the filter. You can change it to where you are or make it UK. There's no movie night dice like that. So let's create a new listing. Listing type, item for sale. Do the same thing. Put in the title. Put in the price. Well, it's 20 quid. 20 quid. Let's just go 26. See what happens. Category, household, condition, new, brand, color, whatever the color is, beige. There's a dice in it. Description, come down here. Movie night, so there's that one. And you can do more with this because I'm not going to, labor it. There we go. List as a single item, yes, if you want to. Then what you would do is you would just add your photo in there. So I'll just add the photo. So I've just saved the photo to my desktop. So it's there, exactly this one. I mean, you can do more, look, do them all. And then next. Okay, marketplace it. Okay. These are some of the groups if you want to put us in some groups. And then you press publish. So £26. You'd be surprised what people pay for things like this because this is fairly personalized. It's not a door and it's not a TV stand from Amazon. It's pretty personalized. Somebody might buy it for £26. You pay 20 quid. You make the 6 quid. Thank you very much. It's not going to make you a millionaire. It's not going to stop your 9 to 5, but it may help you make a bit of extra money to buy a course or to do something else, something you can do as a side hustle. Okay, so hopefully that helped a little bit, created a bit of value. Now I don't drop ship anymore. I don't do this. Okay, although I might do it through Etsy now. Okay, but it might help you with a bit of money. Hopefully, so it's a bit of value for you to create a bit of income on the side if you so wish. Okay. The next part of the video, I'm going to show you what I do to create an income online. I use the power of the internet and leverage the power of the internet to make money online. So if that is of interest to you, stick around and watch the next part of the video. Welcome back to this third part of the video and to the bonus section. Like I promised, those who stay to the end and explain to you how I make money online and how I use the power of the internet to leverage that power and make an income online. I use affiliate marketing and more specifically high ticket affiliate marketing. Now you can get started today in the same program for $7. There's a link in the pinned post which will take you to a 15-day business challenge for $7. So click on the pinned post, the link in the pinned post. It'll take you to this squeeze page. Enter your contact details, and for $7 you can get started on them 15 days
today. It is 15 days worth of value. Now, for an extra bonus, if you complete them 15 days and you send me a screenshot of proof that you've completed the 15 days, I will then arrange a one-to-one coaching session with me and you to discuss your next steps. So make sure you sign up for the 15 days, go through the 15 days. Once you get to the 15 days, send me a screenshot, email me a screenshot of the completion, and I will set up a one-to-one free half-an-hour coaching session with me and you to discuss your next steps, whatever they may be. Now, the reason I want to do that is because I know the value of them 15 days, because I got a lot of value, and I want you to get the same value. So make sure you complete the 15 days, and then we can arrange that one-to-one half-an-hour free session. So that's all I have today. Click on the link, pay the $7, do the 15 days. Besides that, if you've got any questions, just let me know. I answer them all. That's all I've got for you today. Thank you for watching the video to the end. Take up that 15-day challenge. Take up on my free one-to-one bonus session. And I will see you in another video.